Hello friends, today's video regarding OUKITEL WP33 Pro rugged smartphone.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm...
The WP33 Pro is the most recent rugged smartphone model from OUKITEL. The OUKITEL WP33 Pro, in addition to a massive 22,000 mAh battery, supports 5G connectivity. There are also outdoor music playing loudspeakers on the smartphone. The new OUKITEL rugged smartphone weighs 577.5 grams and measures 27.2 millimeters thick. The main reason for this is its large capacity battery. The WP33 Pro comes with a 20MP night vision camera and a 64MP primary camera. The speaker on the smartphone has a maximum volume of 136 dB and a maximum power of 5 watt. The 6.6-inch display on the OUKITEL WP33 Pro is well built and allegedly protected by Gorilla Glass. The display has a 60 Hz refresh rate and a resolution of 2408 by 1080 pixels. Its reinforced corners emphasize its design as an outdoor phone even more. The WP33 Pro is water, dust, and water droplet resistant due to its sturdy construction. The WP33 Pro's 22,000 mAh battery can keep the device running for a week. The phone's large battery enables it to function as a power bank, generating up to 18 watt and charging it up to 33 watt. The OUKITEL WP33 Pro is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset. The SoC gives the WP33 Pro high performance, fast working speeds, and support for 5G mobile networks. The phone has a dual SIM slot and 8 GB of RAM that can be expanded. The internal storage capacity of the OUKITEL WP33 Pro is 256 GB. OUKITEL will formally launch the WP33 Pro, which will cost. It may be available directly from the manufacturer, as well as on Amazon.com. The large battery, loudspeakers, and rugged design of the OUKITEL WP33 Pro are some of its main selling points. These are in addition to what appears to be competitive pricing. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you.